Alright, today we're going to do the balancing chemical equations lab. A brief overview of this lab is, in this activity, models are used to balance chemical equations and provide an understanding of the law of conservation of mass. These tools aid in the visualization of the number of the atoms presented on each side of the chemical reaction. Alright, the materials that we're going to use today, I got my balancing equations map, a dry erase marker, the modeling set, and also a damp paper towel to erase on the map. Steps for balancing a basic chemical equation is, first you write the unbalanced equations for each reaction. Place the reactants on the left side of the arrow and then the products on the right side of the arrow. And you tally the number of the atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. If the same number of the atoms of each element appear on both sides of the equation, the formula is balanced. No more steps are necessary. If the numbers of atoms are not equal, the coefficient must adjust to balance the equation. Starting with the atoms that appear in only one substance on each side of the arrow, adjust coefficients to each formula in order to make the number of the atoms on both sides equal. Continue adjusting the coefficient to the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides of the equation. So I'm gonna need 8 of these red prong, 4-prong atoms, so-called atoms. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm gonna need 4 of these blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 6 of these green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it says 4 of these yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 20 of these white 1-prong ones. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Alright, so I have 8 of the red atoms, 4 of the blue atoms, 6 of the green atoms, 4 of the yellow ones, and 20 of the white ones. Just a reminder, elements must be present in equal amounts on both sides of the equation. So for activity 1, with a wet erase marker, write the 5 colors: red, blue, yellow, green, and white on the models in each of the model pieces in each of the color columns of the tally table. So right here in the tally table, I'm gonna record the colors that I just mentioned: the red, blue, yellow, green, and white. So now next to where I named the colors, I'm gonna write the symbol, the chemical symbols for each one of these so-called atoms. So the white is a hydrogen, so the symbol will be H.
Oh, 6:30.
A blue. So I'm gonna write all the symbols down right here, and then we're gonna go on to step 3, which is assign a different color to each of the atoms in the equation in the symbol column to the tally table. Write the symbol for the atoms besides the assigned color.